guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, our channel, because we own this channel together. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel, and I'm sorry for going on a long break. I had personal issue, not issue like bad issues, but I just need to go offline for some time. But I'm back now with premium content, and you know I promise you that I'm going to deliver all the time. So now I want to do my unboxing video. I'm new on this channel. My name is Moreni KG. In this channel, I talk about I talk about lifestyle and educating content. I educate people on how to make lifetime decisions in all areas of life. And if you are not new, I love you so much for coming back. Thank you so much, and I love you too. So today we'll be having our first unboxing video. And guys, guess what? I say guess what I'm unboxing. I'm not unboxing just once, I'm unboxing 3 things, and it's for my YouTube content actually. So come with me if you want to see my unboxing video. Thank you so much. So the first thing we'll be unboxing is my cute and beautiful ring light. I just got this ring light yesterday and I'm so excited. I've not opened it. I don't even know how to set it. Someone is here to set it for me, but we're gonna set it together. My tripod. I'm so excited. And my wireless microphone, guys. It's gonna be a back-to-back banger on this channel. And you know how we do it. We keep it moving, keep it consistent. Even though I'm not consistent, you have to forgive me on this. So first things first, we have to unbox our ring light. So let's do that now. I've opened it because I wanted to see what I want to buy. I'm not going to buy it. I didn't buy it online. I went to the market because I carry my ID. So I'm going to see what they gave me. So the ring light is 45 centimeters, that's 18 inches, RGB LED, ring feel light, light up your beauty, feel light and beauty face, make face and eye in beauty, night core extreme, multiple colors, temperature. So this ring light actually has white light and then multiple colors. It's a 45 centimeter and 18 inches ring feel light. So let's do that. Drop it here. So we're gonna drop this here and let's see. The ring light actually comes with a bag, ring light bag. So excited. Comes with a remote. I have to test everything in the market. I'm not going to let them give me what I have as what I got. So I opened them. I not open all of them, but let's see what it is. Oh wow, it's the phone holder. It has 3 phone holder and 3 screws. Let's see what we have here. Oh, the charger. You plug it and the game changer itself, the ring light. I'm so excited, guys, because this is my first ever, and it will actually be one of my most valuable possessions I've ever had, especially for my YouTube channel, because you know we're doing things we love for who we love, and I love you guys. So I'm doing it for you guys. So now let's go to the tripod. The Baba in the game. That's the monitor. This is the CPU, brain of the whatever. So let's see how it fits. I just need to get this here first. Yep. What's here? There's something here. Oh, the phone holder. The Bluetooth. It also has a bag though. It also has a bag. So I'm actually excited for it. This is the Bluetooth remote, guys. the Bluetooth remote. I'll connect this to my phone, even though my ring light, my tripod is far from me. This comes in handy, so yeah, I love it. And the tripod of the game, even though I don't know how to set it yet, because we're gonna set it. And see how tall it is. Yay! Yay! It has. Yes, no. Let me spoil it. Okay. Yeah. So. My tripod. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited, most especially because I know I'm going to give you guys back to back. And my mouse, as I call it, my cute baby. This will be my baby because I love little things. So this one I've seen the sample, but I told the guy I don't want because I know most people have put it close to their mouth, so I needed more. Oh guys, this is giving. First off, let's see what is this first. Hopefully we do not spoil its passage. It has the microphone. This one goes in like this. And this one, plug this to my phone. This is actually for Type-C, but he has iPhone because you know I'm an iPhone baby. You plug it to the iPhone. It's going to be in my mouth and this will be connected to my phone. So yeah, that's what we have here. And then in the carton, so I love instructions. I love instructions. I was specifically asking, he had other microphones, but I was specifically asking for the ones that had instructions. So I was actually happy that to get instructions. The only painful part is my tripod doesn't have instructions, and I can't even find my ring light instructions, but I'm sure it's in the bag, it's in the carton, because I saw it yesterday at the market. So guys, let's open this and see what is here. Oh yeah, the cord, it says recharge the microphone. The microphone itself, you can charge it. This is the charging port, so just plug it to any other charger. The cord, and hey, I'll charge it. So that's all for my unboxing. You've seen my tripod, you've seen my ring light and my microphone. So what I want to do is I want to set up. Then after setting up, I'm going to show you guys the finished list, and I'm going to talk with the microphone so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, baby. Welcome back, guys. I fixed it. As you guys see, even if you look at into my eye, you notice the ring light. So I fixed it. How am I looking? I know I'm looking more beautiful than before. So yeah. So let me show you the ring light, tripod, and the microphone. You can see the microphone here. So I'll show you the way I stand the microphone, the way I stand the ring light, and what else. So let's see. So guys, this is the ring light, and this is my tripod. This is my tripod. Forgive the other tripod. The tripod is giving what it's supposed to give, baby.